What's he gonna do? He's gonna go bushwhack for a mag.
MilSimJunkie.com, baby.
I didn't want to run.
Game on. 3, 2, 1.
Go, follow Mickey. I'll bring up the rear. Go, go, go. Go. Shit, we're already in the middle of the field. Moving forward, moving forward. Start moving, start moving. One, coming right. Same pallet. Watch behind them. Keep moving, keep moving. Same spot, you got 2. Stay right here.
I'm gonna leave this here.
Yeah, stay right here.
It's not working.
Let's see if we can leapfrog you and I.
Got him.
Good job. Advance and I'll bring up that rear. Take cover, find a pole. Scott, I'm moving. Coming down. Advance! Move! Scott, I need you here.
Right behind me.
12 o'clock, behind that building.
Yeah.
You guys need to move! You're dead. Get down, get down, get down.
Alright, so I can take him out.
Still there? I want to stay down this place.
I'm gonna go around this side and get those guys.
This side, this is a bad choice. Watch out, he sees both of us. Is that orange? Behind us? On the trenches? That's trenches right there. It's okay. Now his head's down.
On the right.
Can you reach that guy? 12 o'clock?
I might.
Our guys are inside, so. Got it. Good eye. You got him?
Yeah, I got him at mission.
Nice job, dude. High five. Change your mask. Keep your gun up. Keep your gun up. Oh, hit. Wow, nice shot.
Yeah.
Left. I'm going to punch out left. Nice. On you. Go, go, go. Watch it. You have like 0 cover. Going back in the trench, moving back in the trench. Benaventura, I'm coming to you. Benaventura, I'm coming to you.
Building, watch your right.
I'm ducking low, I'm ducking low.
Steve, there's movement at your 12, like.
Changing max. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hit! We're gonna focus fire on that. We flank up the middle right here. Cut them off. Nip it in the butt.
You have to stay out of the range.
We gotta come up the street. They're all right there. Oh, slow, my brother. Watch high. High ground right. Let's do it. You ready?
Where we go?
Go, follow Steve. Go, 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 go. Peterson, you're coming too. Peterson, you're coming too. Go, 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 go. I got 6, I got 6. Go, 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 go. Got your 6. You're out, he's out.
Call it! Or when we move up, go.
Right?
Go on.
Hold on, we gotta heal them. Moving. Stay.
I don't know where it is.
Hit! Oh shit! Moving right, moving right, moving right. I'm gonna get on your 6. $12 up top. You can heal me if you can.
Oh God. Ooh, get down, get down.
Hit! Huh? Game! Game!
Threw the bomb at me. I got some blown up.
That's middle.
It was over
Because
there.
it started right here.
That was a good game though. We went back and forth. Tactical turns and stuff.
Yeah. He's gonna low crawl.
What?
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Hey, aren't you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Which YouTuber do you think I am?
MilSimJunkie's.
Yeah. Say hi to everybody on YouTube right now. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Oh! Oh!
You okay?
You and ditches don't do well.
Oh, sorry.
Everybody tell who you are on the internet.
I'm Mickey Martin. www.mickeymartinphoto.com. At Mickey Martin Photo for
Photo.
Instagram. Good game.
Good day.
Very, very belated Merry Christmas to you guys from me, MilSimJunkie, and a very Happy New Year. Yes, this is kind of my gift and belated gift to you guys. It's kind of a Christmas miracle. I know it's a brand new MilSimJunkie video, relatively recent. This comes from December 22nd, 2013 at West Coast Adventure Park out in Plymouth, California. It's kind of a slash between airsoft and paintball. So the field, as you may have seen, some of the structures have some paint on them. But no, it's really an awesome field, and I really had a blast playing there. You may have recognized some of the CQBJs with me, and we were just hanging out and having fun. I had this video laying in the queue, and I decided to edit it first and put it online for you guys. I do have some questions for you. First of all, in the comments below, let me know if you want me to finish the 1 or 2 other videos that I have in the queue from way couple months back. I know, standard gameplay, by the way, standard gameplay videos, and put those online. Or you guys want me to start fresh in 2014. 2014, by the way, I've got SHOT Show coming up. I got other engagements to go to, airsoft engagements. So you guys are going to see me a lot more often. I know I said that before, but I mean it this time. I genuinely want to say thank you to everybody of the MilSimJunkie Nation that you know, for all the love and support that you've given me throughout this year and all the years for that matter. Especially this year, it's just been kind of rough, especially the later half. Been busy with a lot of things, work, number one. But I'm here. I'm still alive. You guys still see me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, still talking to you guys. It's just sometimes I just can't make it out to the field. So again, in the comments below, let me know if you want me to finish that 1 or 2 videos that I have laying in the queue to put online, or you guys want me to just start fresh in 2014. With that being said, thank you again. And remember guys, stay awesome, play hard, fight hard.